Welcome to NihonGo Quiz. Today, we're testing your knowledge of essential kanji for beginners. Can you recognize these common JLPTN 5 kanji? Let's find out. You'll see a kanji character on the screen. Choose the correct meaning from 4 options. You'll have 5 seconds to answer. Keep track of your score and challenge yourself. Let's begin. What is this kanji? Time is up. The correct answer is sky or sora. This can be seen in words like airport and air. What is this kanji? Time is up. The correct answer is shiro or white and can be found in the kanji of swan. What is this kanji? Time is up. The correct answer is rest or yasu. This can be seen in words like holiday or jujitsu. What is this kanji? Time is up. The correct answer is iki or station. This can usually be seen in train stations such as Tokyueki. What is this kanji? Time is up. The correct answer is study or gaku. It can be seen in words like student or gakusei. What is this kanji? Time is up. The correct answer is tatsu, meaning to stand. This kanji can be found in words such as tachiba, which means position. What is this kanji? Time is up. The correct answer is safe or cheap. It can be seen in words such as in sen, meaning safety, or in yasui or cheap. Let's move to the next. Time is up. The correct answer is den, meaning electricity. This kanji can be seen in the word train or densha. What is this kanji? Time is up. The correct answer is fish or sakana. It can be found in the word kingyo, meaning gold fish. Out for the last kanji. Time is up. The correct answer is hashiro, meaning to run. It can also be seen in words such as toso, meaning running race. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new quiz. See you there!